What if we told you a company could deliver metal products so fast it feels like they finished them yesterday? This is JGM, a manufacturing company built around three things that matter most: safety, schedule, speed. This isn't just a Lego world. This is real manufacturing. At JGM, everything they do comes back to their motto.
Mark Wolf, Water 2.
Hello, I'm Rob Policastro, Health and Safety Manager, JGM.
Aiden Basteri, I'm an intern, but also welder / fitter.
Jamie Kevlis, Marketing Coordinator.
So how does JGM work this fast without cutting corners? It starts with the first S, safety.
It means just to build things with quality and safety and production.
Well, every year here at JGM, right around Christmas time, we give out boots to all of our employees. It's pretty cool. We have a boot truck pull in on the job site. The guys and girls get to go in and pick out their boots. We also have a good catch program. What we do is we ask our employees to identify hazards in the shops or in the field, and we correct those hazards and we reward them.
At JGM, safety isn't optional. It's built into every job, every process, and every shift.
A schedule, because speed doesn't matter if you miss deadlines.
What is your everyday work schedule?
Everyday work schedule start at 4 to 4:30, 12-hour shift. Working on structural girder stuff, other fun stuff.
Everyone at JGM knows their role. That teamwork keeps everything moving on time.
And finally, the third S, speed.
I think in the next 10 years, especially with AI, how it's evolving so quickly, I think that AI is almost not going to take over our jobs, but I feel like it's going to help with the speed and the quality and content here at JGM.
From safety leaders to machine operators, everyone plays a part in the three S's.